Hey guys, it's Jerome. In this video, we'll look at how to fix Instagram story quality. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, we'll click Instagram, Profile button. Now we'll go to Settings. Then we'll go to Account. Then we'll click Data Usage. Make sure that Use Less Cellular Data is toggled off. Now we'll go to Settings, click General, then scroll down and Reset, and then click Reset Network Settings. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.